Dennis with Mighty Dog Roofing here. We're here at Chuy's Mexican Restaurant doing a TPO overlay. Wanted to show you guys what that means. You can see this area right here that's white, that's the TPO. That's this material. It's a single ply membrane. We're gluing this down on top of the ISO insulation. The ISO is the board that is 1.5 inches thick. It's this gray material in the back. That's how we do some of these commercial jobs. This one happens to be an overlay where we're putting it on top of the old roof. Sometimes we'll tear the entire roof off, go down to the roof deck, and put this down from there. But this one, the customer wanted a TPO overlay. Again, we're still here at Chuy's. I wanted to show you another point in the overlay process. On the roof, we just overlay the roof. On the walls, we have to tear off this material because we're adhering the TPO down to the roof. So we take off the old roofing on the walls. It goes bare to the plywood, and then we use a spray adhesive on that, and then we spray. It's a contact adhesive. We spray it on the TPO, we spray it on the wall, and we glue it to the wall. It can't work on the wall because the wall has granules on it. It has to be a smooth surface. So we glue to the plywood. This is going to be pretty close to the finished product. We're going to have a cap metal on top of this, but this is what it looks like underneath. We glue this TPO to the wall, and we'll hot weld the seam down here. But underneath, what you have is we've got nailers. So we put these 2x material up here. If you get a little closer, you can see the contact adhesive. You've got TPO adhesive here and here. It was really difficult earlier when I peeled this up to be able to pull that up. So the whole roof goes up and over the wall, and then we'll put on, let's walk right here. We'll put cap metal on it. This one isn't the right size, but it'll go right over top of the wall for the finished look. And this is what you'll see from the ground, this finished look. We're still here at the Chuy's job. I wanted to show you a couple of common termination points. So this one is a pitch pan. We've got the pitch pocket and then a portable sealer in the top of it. This one is an unfinished pipe. We've got pipe boots that we're going to add to it. We're going to extend this pipe and we're going to put a boot on it. Now let's walk over here. So that pipe that I was showing you was about this tall. We've extended this one, and then we put this pipe boot on it. It looks like a witch's hat. Some people just call it a witch's hat. We put a target down, and then we hot weld the seams all the way around it. And this is the proper manufacturer specification termination point for a PVC pipe. What we've done here is a TPO overlay. TPO is a thermoplastic polyolefin. It's a single membrane that goes over top of an ISO board to give you a full roof system. And they're finishing up out here. Comes the project manager right here. This is Tim Schnackenberg. He's our operations manager. He takes care of all of the jobs. He makes sure that one of our project managers is on site, making sure the crews have what they need and what they and are doing the things that we require on a job. So they do it to the Mighty Dog standards, and Tim and his team are the guys that make that happen. Okay, well that's the wrap for our job over here at Chuy's. We'll see you next time.